Barbados. Once you're here, there's nothing to worry about because there's no danger in heaven. So let me get this thing started.
On Fridays and Saturdays, we're going to be on board showcasing the true essence of Caribbean cuisine.
You could be sitting here with a drink in your hand with the best chefs in the island of Barbados cooking for you.
P&O Cruises are pioneering this. It's so good to be able to come to an island and see real, local, authentic cuisine.
Made by an authentic Bajan chef ready for you.
The best way to experience an island is through the food. Hi guys, Chef Damian Leach here from Cocktail Kitchen in beautiful Barbados. This is what happens when you wear shoes at the beach.
My name's Sophie Michell and I'm Chef Patron of Local & Co.
I'm Chef Adrian Cumberbatch and we are bringing to you a taste of the Caribbean. Today we're making Barbados' national dish, cuckoo and flying fish. Flying fish is on everything in Barbados. It's our national fish. It's absolutely delicious, it's beautiful. And this is the type of food I'll be cooking for you on the ship.
So with my cooking, I'm going to bring some really authentic local ingredients and I'm going to show you how to use them differently. We've got cassava tacos, breadfruit fries, just really colourful, vibrant food and a new way of cooking these classic ingredients. Zingy, flavoursome and fresh, perfect Caribbean food.
So I grew up roasting breadfruits on the beach, so it's only fair that I show you guys a roast breadfruit on the beach. It's my absolute favorite thing. On the island, everybody call me the breadfruit man because I really love breadfruit. I'm very passionate about it. I have a breadfruit tattoo on my hand. This is my passion. So this will be on P&O Cruises on a Friday or Saturday. Once you see Chef Damian, you're gonna get a taste of this. Come see me, I can sort you out for sure.
We can't wait to welcome you to Barbados.
On Friday and Saturday nights, we're gonna have the best chefs on the island cooking on Arvia and Britannia.
We're gonna bring that Caribbean vibe, that Bajan vibe. It can be a good time. We can have a good link.
So guys, hopefully I see you soon in beautiful Barbados.